Hey everybody, welcome back to the Crystalina Perspective. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing a Cricut mystery box. I know y'all, I've never unboxed one of these on my channel, and we're gonna unbox one today. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. Hey guys, so let's get into this box. Before we get into the box, let's get into the specs. So Cricut releases, I want to say every month, a mystery box. Now, the boxes have received hype because you get a special little cutie inside of the box each time that they have a box, and it's a different color. Tons of people have began to collect these. I wasn't necessarily interested in the cutie, although the cutie is cute. I have seen what's in the box, but I know a lot of my followers may not know some things, so I just wanted to come and let y'all know, because y'all know y'all my peeps, we family. So if you have the Cricut Access membership, I would say membership does have its privileges. I pay each month, it's like $10 and some change. You get all types of like fonts and all types of projects and art with your Cricut design space. If you are a small business owner, it's a really nice feature to have. And on top of that, because you're a Cricut Access member, you get access to these boxes. So this box isn't a box that's open to the general public. You have to be a Cricut Access member in order to access the mystery boxes. And we're gonna see if it was worth the money. So the box retails for about 60 bucks, but I only paid like $59 and some change. I know that's not a whole lot, but I did receive free UPS, the brown truck shipping, okay? Like y'all, it wasn't USPS, it was UPS. So keep all of that in mind when we are going through the contents of the box. Also keep in mind that most Cricut vinyl, depending on the types of vinyl and stuff, can run anywhere from $5 to $20. Just keep that in mind. So we are going to go through the box together, and I'm going to show you guys what I received in my fall. It's called Fall is in the Air mystery box. And yeah, before you get started though, y'all see all these little spots here? Cricut do not play, okay? They put my address in like 4 different spots. They wanted these people to know this is my package. Thank you, Cricut. I appreciate that. So guys, let's get into this box. Okay, y'all, I took it off the desk because it's massive. I'm gonna give y'all a little peek, and then we're gonna start with the unboxing. Quick peek. Bam. All right. So I'll show the cutie last, but the first item is this. And this is a premium vinyl permanent holographic threads Maize sampler. Y'all, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is what you would consider a full-size product at Cricut. I want to say their samplers, if I'm not mistaken, range anywhere from like maybe 12 bucks to 18, depending on the type of material. Y'all, look at this. This is gorgeous. It is premium permanent. Permanent vinyl has been so hard to find lately. I craft signs. I make a ton of signs, and this is perfect. So we got a premium vinyl permanent holographic threads, and these are the perfect fall shades in my opinion. So we're gonna sit that baby over there. Don't go nowhere. The next item we got, which is what I was the most excited for, this foil iron-on and rose gold. Now y'all, this is about how much you get on their actual iron-on rolls. Do I have one? I do. Well, not necessarily. This one is just adhesive foil, but as you can see, it's about the same amount of product. Their iron is a little bit less, but, and I don't know all the specs. Hold on a second. Let me see if there's a card. Okay, y'all. It's no card. But what I was trying to say is, of course, this iron-on will get you started. But what I like, I want to say, actually, you get a little bit more on a full-size roll. This is a full-size roll of Adhesive Foil. So, as you guys can see, I shop. I be shopping with Cricut. This isn't me just jumping on a trend. I shop with Cricut. And when I saw this box, I was like, I definitely need to get in on it because I really love the colors. Now, all the other things have been gorgeous, but this box really spoke to me. So I want to say you get a little bit more. I'm sure you do. If I find out what are the sizes of the different types of vinyl in this box, I will like put it on the screen, guys. But this is for iron-on. Iron-on anything Cricut brand is expensive. And have you even seen Sizer? They're even more expensive. So far we got a permanent sampler, which the samplers do come with like 3 to 4 different colors. It just depends on the sampler. And then we get some iron-on rose gold foil. The next item is gorgeous. It's Adhesive Foil in gold. Now let's compare. Yep, y'all, it actually looks a little bit wider. If you think about it, this is the one I picked up from Michael's. This is the rose gold adhesive foil. This is the adhesive foil in gold. And it's looking pretty. This is the one that I got in the box. It's giving me like, you know, I got a deal. I'm just saying. So this adhesive foil is really, really cute. This functions like vinyl. That's all that it really is. More like a permanent type vinyl. This is not an iron-on. Any product that you need to iron onto something, it will tell you whether or not it's an iron-on or not. So we got this adhesive foil in gold, and look. I can already tell you that right now with these 3 products, we're already close to about $35, $40-ish. I already can tell you that. So the next thing we got, which I think this color is so beautiful, and it's a sampler, everyday iron-on sampler, neutrals, and everyday iron-on wine. So look at this. Like, not only do we get some neutrals, but we also get a wine color, which is so perfect. It's screaming Thanksgiving to me. It's screaming fall harvest. It's screaming fall festival. It's screaming fall to me, okay? So it's a really good amount. Let's see these samplers. Yep. It's given. It's given. It looks like it's maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets on here, because that sheet is like down. So yeah, y'all, it's given. It's given. Look at this. OMG. I'm so pumped. Like, so far, 4. I have 2 iron-ons and I have 2 vinyl products, which all of this is vinyl, but I'm seeing, like, when you think of project variability. And then, y'all, we get a whole nother roll. And look at this. Look at this color. So this is the premium vinyl permanent in Maize yellow and premium vinyl in permanent tangerine. So it looks like it's 2 colors. It's a lot on the roll. This is screaming Halloween, harvest, festival, Thanksgiving. It's screaming all the fall things, guys. And right off the bat, we got 5 rolls of vinyl. So we got 3 permanent / adhesive rolls and 2 iron-on rolls, guys. These are not sheets. These are rolls. So we got 5 rolls right there. Honestly, this is the value of your box if you did not have any coupons or discounts. Just being for real. So let's slowly move into the other products, because there are other products in this box. So we get foil transfer sheets metallic. Y'all, I have always wanted to play with the foil feature with Cricut. I have to buy the attachment tool now. But this is what the sampler looks like. So freaking gorgeous. And of course you get your tape and stuff. But I love the fact that it's a sampler. Like, when I get my foil, when you buy the foil attachment, you get like a gold and a silver. You get gold and silver, which is silver in here. It should be. Hold on, y'all. I am jacking up. Hold on. You get silver. So you get these two colors off the bat in a foil kit from Cricut. But they threw in this copper color, which is screaming rose gold to me. But I think it is a lot lighter than rose gold, actually. Because I actually have rose gold right here beside me to do a comparison. If I can pick this up, y'all. Don't be me. Don't do this. This is not what you do. Don't do this right here. So this is rose gold and this is copper. Rose gold is just a little bit lighter. Here's another, like, it's just a little bit lighter than the copper. But I absolutely love that we got a foil transfer sheets. These are all screaming fall. Like, y'all, fall is seriously one of my favorite seasons of all. It's one of the times that I actually want to craft the most. So I'm super excited, considering that I still have wedding things to make. This is perfect. Like, this is seriously so perfect. I'm so freaking excited. And yeah, last but certainly not least, we have some Kraft Board Metals. It's a 12 by 12. I think this was very worth the cost so far. I'm trying to see what colors are in here. Okay. It's open right there. So we have a beautiful green. Oh, wow. Look at that gold, y'all. Look at that gold. Shift that vinyl over. And then we got several of these, by the way. Oh, we got some black right there. And then, guys, we are welcoming the copper / rose gold color. So we got Kraft Board and Metals. And I just absolutely think that this is so perfect for some fall crafts. We got some foil transfer sheet. We got some iron on vinyls. We got some adhesive foils. And then the best part, we got a cutie. And let's see. I forgot what it looked like. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it is so freaking cute. It's cute, y'all. It's really cute. It got some good weight to it, man. Somebody come here and be like, no, throw this thing. Okay. This is super cute. So, guys, this is what I received in my very first Cricut mystery box. My honest opinions is that I really feel like it's a great value. I feel like it's a great value. I feel like for $59 with free shipping by UPS, I was able to get 5 different types of vinyl to try. Vinyl that I either would have had to buy or vinyl that I wouldn't have wanted to buy because of cost. I got a cute little souvenir that I can collect if I choose to start collecting these. But I got a full transfer sheet set that is enough for me to play with. Granted, I get the full attachment. And y'all, this massive stack, like, it's a massive stack of the Kraft Board Metals. I have more than enough here to craft several different varieties of projects, from fabric type projects to paper projects. So I definitely give this mystery box a rating of a 5 out of 5. It was a really great bang for my buck. It does scream fall to me. If you aren't into like theme boxes, I do not recommend the Cricut boxes because all the themes I have seen are spot on and they look amazing. In my opinion, it's just none of them really spoke to me like this one spoke to me. These mystery boxes do go very quick. So I follow a few people here on YouTube. I will drop their channel so you guys can see. They're always letting us know when the next mystery box is out. And not only that, you have to be an Access member in order to access this. So remember that. Remember that you have to be a Cricut Access member in order to access the Cricut mystery boxes. So with that being said, guys, I am going to put my little cutie on my shelf. Oh, wait, he too heavy. Man, you got to stand up. Okay. Woo! He almost fell off, y'all. So he's now in his new chilling place. And I am going to put these items away. I'm so super pumped up that I did get this mystery box. And until our next video, you guys stay blessed. Have a dope day. Bye.